Now we start Science Chapter 2 Acid, Base and Salt. Question: what do all acids have the common? सब एसिड के अंदर कौन सी चीज़ कॉमन है, कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी कॉमन है? आंसर: all acid generate the hydrogen gas on reacting with the metal. So hydrogen seem to be common in all the acid. So all the acid generate the hydrogen. All the acid produce the hydrogen gas on reacting with the metal. Therefore it is the common property in all acid. Now second important question. Describe an activity so that acid produce the ion only in aqueous solution. ये CBSE 2008 के अंदर पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है. And now start the answer. Draw the diagram as shown in figure. Arrange the apparatus as shown in figure. Take solution of glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Fix two nails on the cork of place on the cord in the 100 ml beaker. Cork, rubber cork. Fix two nails on the rubber cork and place the cork in the 100 ml beaker. Connect the nail to the two terminals as shown in 6 voltage battery through a bulb and switch as shown in figure. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया कि अरेंज शोन इन फिगर, ये दिखाया, इसी तरह अरेंज कर लो. नाउ pour some dilute hydrochloric acid in beaker and switch on the current. So then bulb will glow because in aqueous hydrochloric acid H ion produced. H ion is responsible for the passing the current, therefore bulb glow. Now take as sulfuric acid, glucose, alcohol, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and repeat this experiment. So here given below solution HCl, effect on bulb will glow but lighted region H plus ion is produced. H2SO4 is acid, bulb is glow, H plus ion is produced. C6H12O6, this is the formula of glucose. बोर्ड के अंदर पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द ग्लूकोज? C6H12O6. bulb cannot glow because H plus ion or OH negative ion cannot they produce. Now C2H5OH, alcohol, bulb not glow because H plus ion or OH negative ion not produce. NaOH, sodium hydroxide base ion, bulb can glow because OH ion produce the in solution. CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide, bulb will be glow, OH ion is produced. This means that in alcohol and glucose ion H plus ion and OH negative ion cannot produce, but in acid and base ion is produced, then bulb will glow. Now we take conclusion. Electric current passing in acidic or basic medium and the bulb lighted means bulb can glow. Electric current passing in acidic medium or a basic medium, and bulb can glow because acid contain H plus ion and it produce, base contain OH negative ion and is produced, which is responsible for the flowing of electric current. But glucose और अल्कोहल कंटेन हाइड्रोजन, अल्कोहल के अंदर भी हाइड्रोजन है, ग्लूकोज के भी अंदर भी हाइड्रोजन है, बट इट कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस द H प्लस आयन और OH नेगेटिव आयन, सो करंट कैन नॉट फ्लो एंड बल्ब कैन नॉट ग्लो is lighted. In all acid H plus ion and in all base OH plus ion produce is the common. The current is pass is this is the common. Now next question, explain why does the dry hydrochloric acid not conduct the electricity but aqueous solution conduct the electricity. Now start the answer. Electric current flow through the solution by the ion. Since the dry hydrochloric acid does not give any ions, it does not conduct the current. Whereas the presence of water, H plus ion and Cl negative ion produce, which are responsible for the flow of the current. HCl plus H2O, H3O plus Cl negative ion, Cl नेगेटिव आयन प्रोड्यूस हुआ, H प्लस आयन प्रोड्यूस हुआ, इसलिए करंट फ्लो होता है. नाउ हाउ आर द बेसिस डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अल्कली? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बेस एंड अल्कली? आर ऑल बेसिस आर द अल्कलीज? तो आंसर, बेसिस जनरेटेड हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन OH ion in water, as for example NaOH, KOH, MgOH are the produce the OH ion in water. Base alkali are a hydroxide ion metal which is the dissolved in water. The base which are dissolved in water, this is known as the alkali. But all bases are not dissolved in water, such as aluminum hydroxide, AlOH thrice, not fully dissolved in water, so it is not alkali base, but it is not alkali. Thank you.